In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ElevenLabs offline. Let's dive right in and discover how you can generate audio files and use them whenever you like, even without an internet connection. To get started, open your web browser. This could be any browser of your choice, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once you have your browser open, proceed to search for ElevenLabs. Type ElevenLabs into your search bar and hit Enter. You'll see the ElevenLabs website in the search results. Click on it to go directly to their homepage. Now that you're on the website, log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by following the registration process. Once logged in, navigate to the text-to-speech section. This area is where all the magic happens, allowing you to convert text into speech with ease. Before you proceed any further, it's important to ensure that you're using the V3 model. The V3 model provides the latest features and enhancements, which make your text-to-speech experience more seamless and efficient. If you're not sure whether you're using the V3 model, look for any settings or notifications which might indicate the version you're on. With the model set, it's time to add your prompt. This is the text you want to be converted into speech. Take your time to type out the content you need, ensuring it's free from errors and properly formatted. Alongside your text, you can add tags if needed. Tags help to refine the output or set specific parameters that might be useful for your particular project. The next step is selecting a voice for your text. ElevenLabs offers a range of voices, so choose one that suits the mood or tone you're aiming for. This could be a straightforward professional delivery or something more casual and friendly. Once you've made your selection, click on Generate Speech and let ElevenLabs do its thing. Now, it's time to listen to the audio that's been generated. Make sure that the output meets your expectations in terms of clarity and accuracy. If you're happy with the results, the final step is to download the file. You'll usually find a download button adjacent to the audio file on the website. Click on it, and the file will be saved to your device. With the audio file downloaded, you now have a versatile piece of content that can be used anywhere and at any time, even when you're offline. This flexibility is perfect for situations where an internet connection might not be available or reliable. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully used ElevenLabs to generate text-to-speech audio for offline use. Feel free to explore more features on the platform and continue creating amazing audio content. Thank you for joining me today, and happy creating.